next door. I heard a scream.
Stay here. I'll go check it out.
John? Is everything all right?
Oh my God, you're covered in blood.
Go back inside. It's not mine. It's not. Go back inside and call an ambulance right now. Go!
I like your dolls.
You survived. You don't come out the other side of something like this weaker. What is there left to be scared of?
This is the last of them. How did that get in there? I swear I threw it out.
Things must have got mixed up. There, she fits right in. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. There are things happening that I can't explain.
We should talk to someone.
I don't think what you're experiencing is a ghost.
Sometimes demons can attach themselves to objects.
What do I do?
Protect your family.
Who are you?
Assalamualaikum, nepangkeun nama abdi james Yefta Nazrael Harefa, kelas IPS2. Abdi bade ngebahas resensi film anu judulna Annabelle. Identitas filmna judul Annabelle, sutradara John R. Leonetti, produser Peter Safran jeung James Wan, panulis skenario Gary Dauberman, rilis 3 Oktober 2014, bahasa Inggris, genre horor, studio Warner Bros, durasi 99 menit. Tokoh-tokohna Keira Daniel salaku Annabelle Higgins, Tony Amendola salaku Father Perez, Shiloh Nelson salaku Nancy, Eric Ladin salaku Detektif Clarkin, Kerry O'Malley salaku Sharon Higgins, Brian Howe salaku Pete Higgins. Hipnosisna disebutkan yang boneka Annabelle dicandak ku dokter di Santa Monica, California, Amerika Serikat. John Kurin henteu terang kumaha sareng dimana anjeunna kengingkeun dasarna saatos nampi eta. Anjeunna masihan boneka Annabelle ka pamajikanana anu hamil. Mia Annabelle Wallis. Mia anu oge hamil ku budak awewe tangtu bokja pisan. Teu aneh lamun manehna langsung narima jeung nempatkeun eta boneka di wewengkon pameran bonekana. Kacindekana pasangan nikah John jeung Mia mimiti ngalaman loba kajadian gaib pikasieun ngalibatkan boneka kuna Frankenstein. Sanggeus imah maranehanana diserang ku kultis satanik.